Hello everyone, in this video I will guide you the easiest way to set time and date on this SKMEI 232 model watch. So let's get started. The very first step to set time and date on this SKMEI watch is you have to come in timekeeping mode like me, as you see here on the digital display where hour, minute and seconds is mentioned. If you are in different function, press this left side down button. This is world time. This is another function. This is timer mode. This is alarm. This is actual timekeeping mode. Once you come here, you have to press this right side down button and hold it for a few seconds. Here you will see set button and here beep sound for once. Now here you have to select your capital city of the country. If you press this right side top button, you will go ahead. And if you use this left side top button, you will come back. Now select your capital city of your country according to your location. After this, press this left side down button. Keep this off. Now this is our format. Either you want to choose 12 hour or 24. Use this right side top button to switch between both. After selecting our format, press this left side down button. You can see here seconds have started blinking. Use this right side top button to make it 0. As you see here, whenever I press this, it makes seconds 0. Now to adjust hour and minute, press left side down button. Here you will see hour have started blinking. Use this right side top button to go ahead. Nothing is mentioned, it means this is AM, and if you continuously press this and cycle through hours, you can reach PM, where a small indication of P is mentioned once you reach PM. After adjusting hour to adjust minute, press left side down button. Follow the same step. Now press right side top button to go ahead. After this, again press left side down button. Here you will get a chance to select year. Use this same right side top button to go ahead and left side top button to come back. Now let's select year. Once you select your year, press left side down button. Now here you will select month. Use this right side top button to go ahead. After this, press left side down button to select days. Use this same right side top button to go ahead and use this left side top button to come back. After this, again press left side down button. So whatever the adjustment you have did, to keep it fixed, press right side down button at the end. It will automatically adjust this analog hand according to the digital time and date. If you find this video helpful, please like this video and subscribe to my channel and comment below what kind of tutorial you want next. Thank you very much for watching till the end.